Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you like how to make a person talk and how to make another person talk after that person talk. So okay, then let's make it. Okay. Now first you need to delete some cat and choose another one like whatever you want, man or cat or rat or anything or bat, anything you can this one. So I want to choose some people. Okay, I want to choose some people. I want to choose. No, let's choose some animals. They are walking. There is walking one, let's see. And another one we have to that when that person tells, the other person also must say. So this one. Let's choose this one. Okay, one is here, another one is there. And for the background, let's choose like a jungle. So let's choose jungle. Okay, here is jungle. Not counting. Not counting. Okay, let's choose like this even. Here change. Here change now. Oh, just change it. Wait, I can take it out. So this is the one only you need. This is the jungle only you. Okay, so now you take it, keep one there, one here. And now you have to choose, now we have to go to the blocks and let's make the block. Okay, now first we have to take the green flag clicked. Okay, and now I'll be there, okay. And after now take a number, go to looks. Then go to looks and say hello for 2 seconds. You have to take say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, and over here you can type whatever you want. Whatever you want you can type. So I put hello. Okay. And also now you go to events and take when space key press. Okay, and now I'm getting one key, don't change anything. And after that go to looks, again go to looks and take say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, and no, okay, and now take this green flag click and take that and go and put it in the other this idea. Yeah. Now here also you only have to put. Okay, and now delete this. You have to keep this when space key press. You have to keep that. Okay, and now go to the other next costume, and now you have to put like this block. Okay, then green flag click and say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, and after now this also written hello. Now okay, now look. Okay, now when you press the green flag click. This where it will hello, and the other way when I press the space bar, it will tell that written also hello. See? Hello. It will tell. And also now when we press this space bar, this one is telling, and this one is not telling now. For that, we have to change it now. Now this one, when green flag, we should not take it. We should take, go to events, take the this same block when space key pressed, that's why you have to take, okay. And for that you can choose anything you want. Okay, let's choose up arrow. Okay, I choose the up arrow for this. Now you start the green flag. Now see, they are not telling anything. Okay, now you start the green flag and you press the up arrow. See, it says hello, and you press the other one that says hello. This will say hello, this will say hello. You can do like that, anything whatever you want. Okay, and I think you all know this, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.